Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And like I already said in a past video, and it's still active today because Microsoft and the Windows team had kind of told us that they were trying to have our new features for everybody rather than having them be tested and only some people have them and others don't. But it's still the case that some people have new features and others will have to wait. Once again, a lot of people saying, oh, well, these are for pro users. No, they're for everybody. Home and pro have the same features rolling out. But yeah, it's true that some of the features might not be there. For example, many have mentioned that in a Windows update, the calendar pick a date for updates. A lot of people are not seeing it yet. So that is something that's possible. That it's still rolling out. They're still doing their A/B testing thing, and rolling out features to some. Also, checking out the compatibility of maybe a feature with some other machines and so on. So don't worry about the fact that you don't have certain things that I showed in the video. It is unfortunately still the way Microsoft pushes updates. It pushes to some and it doesn't on others, and unfortunately takes sometimes weeks and even months before everybody has one feature. One of the features that took a long time to show up to everybody was the new start menu. For a very long time, most people still had the old start menu. It took the last update to finally push it to everybody. It seems that now everybody should be on this new start menu. And that, for some people, that's a problem. And I always say it shouldn't be like that. Everybody should have the same things at the same time and, try them. I mean, I find it kind of a little dumb to have only some people have a feature and others do not. So just be patient. It will come as the time goes by. Also, Microsoft, once again today, mentioning that as we are getting closer to the deadline, that, it's time to check out and move on to 25H2 if you're on 24H2. That, for them, their servers are open for everybody, forcing everybody to 25H2 now. And just mentioning that, the end of support for 24H2, sorry, is coming close. We're only 3 months away. But you still have time. And some of you I know are, deliberately pausing, waiting for, a moment where you'll have to move to 25H2. But it's pretty stable and pretty good, so there shouldn't be any problems for that update. Especially, it's just an enablement package, so it's just a little update that maybe can switch on certain features. If some of you don't see the features I was talking about, and you're on 24H2, that could be a reason also for not seeing them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.